In today's video, I am going to teach you how to create product collection on Shopify. To begin, log into your Shopify admin dashboard. From the menu on the left, go to Products and then click on Collections. This is the section where you can organize products into groups, which makes it easier for customers to browse your store and find related items. Once you are on the Collections page, click Create Collection. This will open the collection setup screen, where you can enter the main details for your new collection. Start by entering a title for the collection. Choose a name that clearly describes the group of products you want to include. Then add a description. This is helpful because it gives customers more context about what the collection contains, and it can also improve how the collection appears across your store. Next, choose the collection type. You will see two options here, manual and automated. A manual collection is useful if you want to handpick each product yourself. An automated collection is better if you want Shopify to add products for you based on specific rules. This can save time, especially if your store has a large number of items. If you choose automated, you will need to add conditions. These conditions tell Shopify which products should be included in the collection. For example, you can build rules based on product tags, price, or product titles. Be sure to set the conditions carefully so the correct products are added automatically. After that, upload a collection image. This image represents the collection visually, so choose one that matches the products and fits the overall look of your store. A clear and relevant image can make the collection more appealing to shoppers. When everything looks good, click Save. After that, click Save again if Shopify prompts you to confirm or finish the setup. This makes sure all of your changes are applied properly. Once saved, your new collection will be created and ready to use in your Shopify store. You can later add it to your navigation, feature it on your homepage, or use it to help customers browse more efficiently. That covers everything you need to know.